Hi, and welcome to 2024. And as of right now, the 3D asset creation scene is getting easier and easier to enter day by day. Let me show you. Welcome to the channel, and this is Goto, and we're here to talk about the new text to 3D AI generative platform, GENIE 1.0. A few days into 2024, January, they have moved GENIE to its own platform with powerful new features. First, number one, they boast of generation of 3D assets under 10 seconds. 2, improved models, 3D models. 3, with topology, variable mesh poly count for you to download from low to high resolution. And 4, you can easily make variations from anything you have generated on the platform. But let me show you. Let's go. So how to access the platform? The link will be in the description below, but I'll just type it. It's called, go to lumalabs.ai. And immediately you get there, you're going to find this platform will greet you. There's 2 buttons down here. One is Imagine, Text to 3D, and one is Capture. Luma Lab is known for capturing before they created GENIE. So we're just going to hit on GENIE. What we're looking for is the Imagine, Text to 3D. Click on that. If you already have like a sign in on Discord, you can use that to sign in here, or you can sign with your Google account if you're a new user. If this is the first time you're seeing the GENIE, you can just sign in with your Google account or Discord account if you have a Discord. But if you interacted with their AI via Discord in the past and you log in with your Discord, you're going to get access to all the 3D models you have generated in the past. And where that's a big deal is that on Discord, it was like a stream of public generations. You couldn't pinpoint. It was hard to locate your work once it has scrolled past the screen. So let's go to the platform. The first you're going to see is a text box down here in the center of the screen. So at the background, what you can see is 3D assets that look like works that have been generated by people in the community via Discord before they move to their platform. And that's going to be amazing, like using the community work to build, like, all to show how far they've come and how far the community has come, right? So yeah, just come in here and you type the text of whatever you're imagining you want to see, right? So I imagine a desert lizard headed shaman warrior. So yeah, so desert lizard headed shaman warrior. You can type whatever you want. You can type a cute teddy bear, which you will see I've made some in the past at my back end. So once you click on the create, immediately we're going to test out the first thing they boast of. And in under 10 seconds, we have 4 variations of the idea of the text we just typed on the screen, right? That's amazing, right? Your idea, like, almost as fast as your thoughts, right? So yeah, so then you look at what you see on the screen and decide to pick one. I'll just pick this one because it feels like it's calling out for me. And immediately they will take you to another part of the platform where you will see other things that they've added to your platform. Looking at the platform, you can see they're trying to build like a serious community around the platform, because you can see an upvote, like, and downvotes, like thumbs up and thumbs down. You can see the name of your handle. You can see desert lizard, the prompt you typed. Then on the right here, you can find 3 like HDRI balls that kind of like try to put your 3D model under different lighting settings, or texture, right? But I don't think this part will shine for you until you have made it high res. So under those settings, the HDRI settings, you will find make high res. You can that's where you're going to make it high res. Then you can make variations of this particular model. This is the one you like. You want to go from here, and then you can do a mesh cleanup, and you can also download in any file format in the few file format, in as many file format as this platform allows, which is GTLF, USD, .blender file, STL for printing, 3D, OBJ. So that's all the functions you're getting. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit high res, this is the only part I know that's going to take a while for you to generate. This takes for me 10 minutes to get my file. But so you're going to sip a coffee, you can go ahead and do something else if you're working on the game. So I'll speed this part up and I'll come back when it's done. So don't go anywhere, please. And we're back. So this took 10 minutes plus because I had to I had to refine like twice, do high res like twice. The first initial 3D character we made high res wasn't really cool. It didn't really, it had a lot of defects. So I said to do, I had 4 generations, so I selected another one and I made high res. And this is the result we're getting, right? So you're not going to get all perfect result sometime. Even this one we're looking at right now still needs you can take into a texture editing software like Substance Painter or Photoshop to go and kind of like add more details to these textures or make textures of your own. But at least you have a pattern, you have a UV map to work off from, you have a model to refine, you have a 3D model you can take it to Blender and add other like details you would love to add. Like this is all from text, and you can decide to animate this as it is right now for a game, but you can still do more to this, right? And I kind of like the fact that there's still work to be done, so an artist can take this to the next level, right? So this for me, I feel like if you're an executive or you don't have any 3D skill, you just want to have a character quickly, or you want to have something to show to an artist to do something, you want to have an idea, you want something in 3D you can show to them to take to the next level. This is the space for you. But there are other 3D models you're going to generate, and it's going to come out perfectly. So I'm going to show you I'm going to show you I'm going to show you the rest very soon. Hold on, I'll show you those ones. The ones I've done. Some are bad, some are good. So yeah, we can decide to look at them in different color, HDRI lighting, and yeah. And then you can decide to choose any file format you want and download. You can either decide to choose make it mid, this is different different topology poly counts. You can decide to choose low for game, mid for game, or high for something you want to render out or in animation. And you can choose the file format you want, FBX or whatever file format you need, be the Blender file. And when you're done, you can just click on download here, and it will go ahead and download that to you. So, but this is the back end is creations. This is where all your works are stored. You have both your generations and your high res, right? So you can filter by high res, or you can just leave it all everything to show. But I prefer to filter by high res because those are the final ones I've picked. So looking at the back end here, you can see all the 3D models I have created in just a few hours, right? This is such an amazing asset. Like I was saying, this is some of them are just out. If you're going for something cute like this, I don't think there's any much work to be done. You already have something you can use. If you're going for something cute like this, for like a mascot you can use something like this. But if you still want more, you can take the 3D software and work out, or you can send this to an artist, if you're not an artist, to help you take it to the next level to add other features you want, like more better textures. I hope the video made sense to you. I hope this video gets you pumped and gives you a chance to dip your fingers into the 3D world. If you're not an artist, or if you're an artist, I hope this helps you start at least from a base mesh where you can start something quickly, prototype quickly, and then decide what you want to go with. This is GENIE 1.0. I'm excited to see what GENIE 1.5 or 2.0 will look like. And please, if you like this tutorial, let me know in the comments. If you have any question about this tutorial, if you have any complaints, just let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to get back to you guys as fast as I can. If you have a request too, you can let me know in the comments or send me a shout out through my email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So please like, subscribe, and share the page. Until next time, peace.